Hey guys, Brian and Andrew here with Haas. We're here to give you a sneak peek at some of the cool stuff you're going to see at IMTS in Chicago this year.
So we've got several machines on the assembly floor. The first one we're stopping by is the UMC 1000. Now, if you're familiar with Haas at all, you know all about the UMC 750. Well, this is the big brother to that machine. 40-inch by 25 by 25-inch travels, super fast rotary speeds. Another new feature on this machine is an HSK 63A spindle option for the UMC 1000. And we're doing something new with this machine. This will have a pallet pool option. So the pallet pool that you remember from our horizontal line, we're going to pair an 8-station pallet pool with the UMC 1000. You've got to make sure you come and see it.
Next up is a successor to our popular EC400 horizontal machining center. Folks have been asking for this for a while. This EC400 is brand new from the ground up, starting off with this 100-pocket tool changer, which ensures you have plenty of tools for all the operations and jobs you have in mind. The castings are a new design from the top to the bottom. More rigid, more compact, and of course that means they're going faster. You'll see more of this machine at the show in Chicago.
Now this isn't a new machine. This is the Haas UMC 750 SS. But what we want you to see is this cool demo we're doing on it. So you can see here, we've got Raptor work holding, multi-part fixture, and on this side we've got a 5th axis vise. We're putting the dovetail in here, holding 4 parts on this side, and this is a great demo. This machine is doing not only 3+2, but some great simultaneous 5-axis motion. And as you can see, we're making a ton of chips. Make sure you stop by and see it.
So that's just a couple of the cool machines you're going to see at IMTS this year.
Make sure you check back with us on all our social media platforms, and we'll see you at the show.